Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concepts in 90 seconds video. What is validation? Validation is proving that a piece of equipment, a computer program, a test process, or even a manufacturing process does what it is designed to do on a consistent and predictable basis. Proving this involves recording your plans, following your plans, and recording your results. In the end, your results must support your conclusion. That was whether a validation was successful or not. So think of, say, a recipe for cooking a roast lamb. You follow the recipe all the time, you should get the same result all the time. That was validation in 90 seconds or thereabouts. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and then hit notify to be informed when more videos are posted by me.